because you gotta be up in. What's up, everybody? We're here at 625 Inc. and it's the E36 is done. So we got the E36 done. Dyno. It's pretty much almost completed. Come on in. We are using, so this is, to give you guys a little backstory, this is our turbo kit that we will be selling. It is a K24a2 660, internally wastegated. So we're going to sell you the whole kit. So it's manifold, downpipe, everything, the intercooler piping, blow-off valve, everything you need to turbocharge your rear-wheel drive K-swap. It's obviously made for the E36, but we think that it's going to fit in the E30s and probably the E46s as well. Great little turbo, spools up super quick. The whole time, pretty much, the tuner was trying to delay boost coming in because it was just spiking up instantly, which is a good problem to have. I can't imagine this thing with a built motor in it. It would be just, oh my god, mind-blowing. Because Lucy is like 11, like all the way cranked up. This is like a solid, probably 8.5, 9. I don't know what you think, Kareem.
Yeah, that's a good number.
8.5 to 9. Great street car. You want to daily this. Completely stock motor from valve cover to oil pan. Just literally our turbo kits on it, the mount kit. Skunk 2 intake manifold just flipped around. Skunk 2 throttle body. And our turbo kit. So, like I said, we'll be selling all this. And yeah, we couldn't be more excited on it and how it turned out. We are using on this car the AP2 S2000 trans. And guess what? It held up. The whole time. The whole time! Nothing changed. Everybody says you can't make any power on them. You can't do anything with it. That's a bunch of malarkey. So, yeah, that's, I think, pretty much a quick overview on it. You'll be seeing a lot more of it, but obviously Kareem's entering all the dyno clips into this. But yeah, we couldn't be happier with it. With the motor is 100% stock, and that's why we were limiting the whole time. What we were trying to do is try and keep the torque under 400 because it wanted to do it, and it wanted to do it really down low, mid-range. And if we would have done that, we would have probably broke a rod real quick. So, but like I said, the whole idea behind this is you can now get a swap, get a cheap turbo kit for the car, and make 480 horsepower if you want. We might have a different option later on for different turbos, but I mean, everything, it's a nice clean little setup, 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch intercooler piping. So the response time on it is pretty awesome, and the car just, it definitely rips. It's really good. We're using 1300cc injectors from Speed Factory. Like literally this car is nothing crazy. The whole point behind this is just put it together and make it so that everybody else can do this, and everybody can have a turbo E36, E46, E30. You need to just bolt it on and go. Yeah, so, and then boost, everybody's going to ask about that. We're only running 19 PSI, so there's that. Oh, and because I already know everybody in the comments about no filter, because that's what it was on Lucy. It's just off for right now, but literally. So, nice clean setup, super easy. Really like it. Makes beautiful turbo noises, as you'll see in all the clips. But yeah, 625 Inc. guys, check it out. Check out all of our stuff. E46 is pretty much done. 625 Inc. Check us out. Kareem will be at Streetcar Takeover Charlotte with the car. Come out, see it. If you guys have any questions, hit us up. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, 625 Inc. There she is, boys. And girls. Oh. Side note, P.S. This is our custom block off for the radiator because you only need that much of the radiator for cooling to keep it at the right temp. This is doing back-to-back pulls on the dyno, staying at the optimal temperature, and that's the block off, which is like probably what? 60% of the radiator. So we've got some ideas and some plans on some other things. But yeah. Also, if you want your car built by us, yes, we do that. Yes, we do it in-house, and we're in North Carolina. So, K-swap everything, have fun. Don't listen to people on the internet.
All right, so today we got the e36 on the dyno. See what it does with the new turbo kit. This will be a kit that will be for sale if we like what it does. So that's what we're here to find out today. So let's see what happens.